I'm gonna revive Cat in the Hat because it got young City because God killed her. I want to bring back to my life. Wow, I'm revived by you. Thank you so much, young Becky and baby Paige. You're welcome to Cat. Young Becky and baby Paige. Thanks for revive my best friend the Cat in the Hat. You may go home right now. I will call your parents. Yay. Young Becky and baby Bacon. Thanks for revive the Cat in the Hat. You know this is my favorite best show ever. You're ungrounded. You can do whatever you want. Yay.